Hi, I'm Megan from Easy Access English. We're going to talk about how we can set intentions in English today. So we may have heard about setting intentions with all of the trendy talk about mindfulness and being present in the moment. Setting intentions is something we can sometimes hear during a yoga practice for helping us to focus our mind on what we want out of our day. If you think about it, if you believe the day is going to be a bad one, it probably will. But if you think it's going to be a good day, then it might be. Think about how we might use going to versus will. With will, we're usually talking about a promise, a prediction based on our opinions. Whereas with going to, we have some kind of evidence making our prediction. For example, I think it's going to be a difficult day. I have a lot of things to do, a lot of people to get back to. It's going to be busy. I have some evidence for this, but what if I were to think it will be a good day, even though I have a lot of things to do and a lot of people to get back to? I will keep a positive attitude and I intend on having a good day. By this way, I'm making a promise to myself using will and showing what I think by making the prediction instead of just basing it on some evidence. Notice also we can use the phrasing, I intend on doing something. So we can use intend on and a verb with ing to talk about our intentions. The same is true for using the verb to plan. I plan on doing. So for example, we could say, this weekend I intend on cleaning my apartment. Or we could say, this weekend I plan on taking some time to relax. So tell me, what are some of your intentions for today or later this week?